This 2024 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 355G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 41 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 10, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, Skylight, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, awning, stovetop burner, oven, refrigerator, and 160 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 355G is 12,950 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.